Hi everybody, it's Katie. Welcome to my newest listing at 132 Apple Hill Drive in Watertown. We're standing on the front porch of this gorgeous over 3,000 square foot contemporary colonial. Let's go inside and check it out. We're in the gorgeous entryway with cathedral ceilings. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The first floor has an oversized primary suite with a full bathroom, a kitchen open to the living room, full formal dining room, and a reading area or office. Let's check out the kitchen in the sunken living room. There's an open floor plan in this home, so it's easy to entertain. The kitchen has also been fully renovated with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. There's a small eating area right in the middle of the kitchen for a breakfast area, and you have access out to the patio through the rear. This home has a primary suite on the first floor to make it very convenient. This is the safe with windows out to your backyard. There's a walk-in closet, and then a bathroom over there with a soaking tub, stand-up shower, and powder area. The staircase is also cathedral and overlooking the sunken living room below. This property is set on over 2 acres of professionally landscaped yard. The gardens are beautiful and extensive. There's a trellis in the backyard and a beautiful patio for entertaining. For more information or to schedule a private showing, you can give me a call at 860-485-8110. Talk to you soon.